Today I'm closing cold shoulder on the shirt. Remember when these were so stylish? Well, I will sew the gap shut to get the most out of this pretty blouse. Turn the garment inside out, then locate the tack stitches. They're usually in the corner of the cold shoulders opening. Then use seam ripper or scissors to carefully snip the thread in the middle and then pull the loose threads out completely. Next, fold the shoulder seams in half to get midpoint. Use straight sewing pins or chalk to mark the spot. Do the same on the shoulder fabric ruffle. Then place right sides of the fabric touching each other and align the midpoints together. And then pin them in place with sewing pins. Also make sure both sides are symmetrical. Okay, great, this looks good. And now I'm ready for the new seam that will close the cold shoulder shut. To get the clean and professional finish of this garment, I will match the color of the thread to the color of my fabric to get that polish and factory-made finish when the thread disappears entirely into the fabric. Thread the needle and tie a knot at the end of the string. The sewing stitch that I'm going to use, it's called the backstitch. For a clear step-by-step visual demonstration of the hand sewing backstitch, here is like a mini tutorial inside this bigger tutorial so you can visualize and you can understand easily how to sew the backstitch properly. So here is the step-by-step, and push the needle up from the back, so from the wrong side of the fabric to the front. Take a small stitch forward to the right if you are right-handed and pull the thread tight. So bring your needle up through the fabric from the bottom at a distance equal to 1 stitch length ahead of your first stitch. Then take your needle backwards and insert it down into the exact same hole where your previous stitch ended. Then pull the thread snug to create a solid line and repeat this pattern. Come up from the bottom a full stitch length ahead and go back down into the end at the last stitch. A backstitch is a strong, durable hand sewing stitch that mimics the look of machine stitching. To finish a hand sewn backstitch, you need to create a secure knot and hide the thread tail. To do so, bring the needle to the end of the stitch and slip it under one of the previous stitches to create a loop, and pass the needle through the loop twice, then pull tight to tie the knot. And you can repeat that to like double knot it, then pull the thread tail inside in between the fabrics on the wrong side of the fabric. Trim the thread off. This looks great, and all I'm gonna do now is to just press it down, and that's it, I'm finished. Here is the second part of this tutorial when I show you how I close this cold shoulder opening with a sewing machine. Same preparation process, and then so I start by back tagging the seam, and I use a straight running stitch on my sewing machine, and I secure it by back tagging again. And that's it. I press it down and it's finished. Take a look. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Did you like this tutorial? Was it useful for you? What would you do differently? And subscribe, share, and like this video, and come back to my channel for more content. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye now.